Mame ma akwaba emfa umbra Ghana SM TVGH so wofre me adwoa searching
ba ye no be yebesa de biom aba ne de ba be boa Ghana fo na ban we de se wo ka se wo de wani eto ne so a ne mo ka ye nyina no ebi ni ho anu mu a eni be ka se waye ene ye nhwe wo mo dollar nse mo ka nyina no ukoka wo hie NDC ni na obisa na ne obebi ka jawa ne se won te se ye de mo bia ba ye se ye ton 2.5 ana intimi aba se ye tie mo so a na bo ni de to be di kwan na drip machine no akwago season na adresu ana
Really, a more summer year cano. Sabi the enemy say a more bargain get one. I have 5 kilos.
Yes.
Me a more meta I have 5 kilos no. Yente so. Peacock as a peacock, yente so. Royal umbrella, yente so. One more now was 2.5. I have 4 kilos. One more now said I have 4 kilos. Emo papa bi no ma ate so Ghana ha masa emo bi na da o
me na ba honi ma de ba kon em say ye ben Côte d'Ivoire fo na Côte d'Ivoire fo nso e ye oman a omo so omo ye emo pa enti ye Côte d'Ivoire fo mo ni bi ene akwakosoa na e de aba Ghana hanom ene ye se ya tete so ye se halfback 2.5 ene ne NDC fo e de je omo samba na emom no omo nwene ho se NPP aban e free so no obomoden e de drip machine e ba ye se ene insure start ya eyi ni ti no mpatam a yentumi cars entumi nkoho no se kwan no as insure to na se kwan no ese ya yemfu a drip machine no nenko reshape sa ekwan no ene omuru afi se sa machines no esisi on ma ese se omumma no ye operationalize netumi eyi akwan ema ye wo se we empatam no ene ofa aboni dua to be dia de bia ho na memete nti de bia me de ho no mu no eye example omuru afi se ene erosion se take place ama ne udo ka efa so kra na wanhwe yi a wo bompa akwakotu asai enomu ne niam ye beka se ye to aba ma wo mo se wo momra no momra meye na enye se ye ntete e mo so ye nti anwa so the talk of the day ne se yate e mo so yate anwa so eno ne ne NDC for ye de eka
me aba ana oponse o matete niam so nyina na training college o so mo 1 meal per a day ana
that is information. That is information.
So say training college o modua no medino. Say no
one hot meal a day.
Yeah. One upon say
ba ko pe.
Ya tete niam so nyina say mako training college a enka matua ka school fees ni kakra na enka meso manya bia dia no pane manyum ne no. Wo so esi are wuntimi bia mu. Ba ko pe e day ni nyina ma ba ko pe e na e di ane ba ko pe na e di.
Okosu ha de wan ko didi.
Na eni aba na ya frupa ya almost there. Yeah,
anyway, kind message
to get your attention off what they are doing, you know. NDC first start here any aquatic sky train way, and what pisses me off about this whole sky train you know say almost say conspiracy between Amiya Kumfi and the next CEO. What have they stolen? What is the evidence that point said? Asimesi and everything edgy says we were ha. Last week, who say you know my coffee Dubu and Diaba. A Dubu and bet you to almost a narrative. No Ghana for mama in that ho. NDC is doing all these things because Omu who cram faboton shemos, Omu who bottom for cram shim. Two no position they do and true mutaya da power mutaya no and then the karma is playing to them and they cannot govern, they cannot rule. You campaigned on the Kenke being one city, the Kenke is still high. Stupidly for them, they think that the dollar losing its power now is something that Sebe Ghana people did or some Ghana government did. It's not. It is not. Because if indeed the dollar was that good, indeed if the cedi was that good, it should reflect in the market. As we speak, cement is up. As we speak, iron rods is up. As we speak, a pound of nails is up. None of it, none of the whole core, and a dollar. Now, more Jimmy, you know. None of it has affected any food prices or affected any commodity prices. No bets now, no masia bedada mo, nende, and Omakochiwe, sky train, and a sky train. Every project there's a visibility study. And so they will go to court and everything will come back to zero. Say, first, kebi bibia. Na ye the esteem na NPP for Jimmy Phobi, NPP for Jimmy Phobi, a woman there, and one yarn bitterness, a woman Muntino, Omo TB, no American, they come one Casomo party, no more Tomo party, say Omo party. Mama went in now. And we were is to divert attention from the Sami Jemfi saga. They want Ghanaians to discuss, say, an NPP for by Omo this, Obian Kodi dollar. Obian Kodi dollar. I was expecting them to say conspiracy to steal, conspiracy to cause this, but they never said that. All they said was conspiracy. You can go and read the charges. You can go and read Dominica Uni's stupid charges. I know and say court to be prosecutors are dealing. You have a baby be the assassin journey, you have a baby be the real journey, you have a baby be the dada, my junior free the SS of Okano. Would you not Bible for it? Now more NPP for them, more than why MPP for no yen kosu nyimi yen ken ba umia sa na efe nyimi na nkrofo we enwia Ghana inside Ghana buburo in 4 years. Last week when something came and yen kan wasem almost yakochi edubu ahe bibi bana yes ye be kan wasem se ko be almost say yakochi MPP ni ba ko yes yo and we akọ fie and we akobu we dan ani diversionary tactics. What do you think they eat the 78 million for? Movies the 78 million ya de ma philosopher su kwa chekwa na ya fa ma no kwa na djuma no de ye no ye nto media ni na ndra na kwa siampani bi to say obahene sebe omahene kwa bra santene sa fake elder no obi fake elder obi or say bonsu fake guy oma betina asempa defend Sami Jemfi because Sami Jemfi show money na afunu mu. There is no day as Sami Jemfi beba omo envelope, so they can't touch him. Sometimes some of us, when we work with them, we learn and we watch. The reason why Asempa FM has to give Sami Jemfi all the grandeur and all those things, and they say every time a Sami Jemfi will be a job envelope mehuda. I've been in that studio before. That is what they do. Media men, I'm telling you, that is who they are. And that is why they are not objective. That is why they are not real. This MPP NDC case, the reason why it's here, Jimmy Moore, is because of the foolish media we have, like Omahene Kwabena Sante. Omahene Kwabena Sante, Cecilia Dapa case ba, except Cecilia Dapa kra wono no waye adwuma wo ni bibi die kra no. Munche dia mode ye no asempa ho. The only journalist that was able to look at the Cecilia Dapa case with clear law was Paul Adomotri. Asa and Kaifoni na ebikura say na maame no na sebe maame ni semu odi nti ono don come support. This is the foolishness they did. But today the same Omahene Kwabena Sante na funu se both road ebetena ho e defend Sami Jemfi because kwasie o che Sami Jemfi go to na mo de nemu de amede beye mu. Where your warm I came to warn my MPP people, say, Omunja Jimmy na Obika Samoa, no we have a case to prosecute. Your leadership at your press conference and raise very potent and serious questions, sir. We need to push that agenda. And then we are going to leave it and go and talk about the Kumfi and the rest. While they are underground doing evil, while they are underground stealing, when is the Ghana youth going to wake up? When is the Ghana brain going to wake up? When